If you have a house in Sylvania, Ohio that you inherited, or if you're going through the probate process with a house in Sylvania, Ohio or surrounding areas, this video is for you. My name is Dave Payerchin, and for over 14 years, my team and I has been buying properties in and around Sylvania. And when we buy properties, we buy them for cash and we buy them in their as-is condition. So when people are working with an inherited property in Sylvania, this is typically the best option for them, because when we buy a property in its as-is condition, that means you don't have to fix anything, you don't need to clean anything, you don't need to haul anything away. The typical conversation with the seller of an inherited property in Sylvania is, you as the seller, you can take anything that you want out of the house. So you can take any personal belongings or any family heirlooms, collectibles, that's all fine and dandy. That's perfectly fine. Anything that you don't want or don't need, you could just leave behind and we'll take care of everything for you. You don't have to come out of pocket and make repairs or give us credits or anything like that. That's typically what you're going to see with more of a traditional buyer. And these are the buyers that are driving around with a real estate agent and they're relying on a mortgage company or some type of lender to provide the funding to actually close this transaction. And that takes a lot of control away from you, the seller who inherited the property in Sylvania. And what I mean by that is, this mortgage lender, they're closing on their timeline. This is not going to close until this approval goes through. And typically these mortgage lenders, they're going to send through a formal inspector, they're going to send through a formal appraisal, and then who knows if they're going to want repairs made. And it's just leaving a lot of things in the air, and it's making you jump through a lot of hoops that are really unnecessary. So if you're looking to keep it simple and still very fair and work with locals, that's exactly what we do. Since we're a cash buyer, we could close when you want to. So you're going to have way more certainty, right? There's nothing uncertain. You pick the closing date. And if you need to close quickly or want to close quickly, that's perfectly fine. Or if you need more flexibility and you want to set something up in the future, or if you have other family members involved, or whatever is going to meet your needs as the seller of this inherited property in Sylvania, whatever is going to meet your needs is what we're here to accommodate. So if you've inherited a property in Sylvania and you want to get a fair cash offer on the property, give us a call at 614-300-5151 or visit us online at sellhousecolumbus.com. I know it says Columbus in the website name. It's just because we were founded in Columbus, but we work very closely all around Toledo, Ohio, Sylvania, and all over the state of Ohio. So when we get on the phone, it's a very easy conversation. We just need to know more about the house and then know more about what timeline that you're looking to work with so we could accommodate your needs and close when you want. There's never going to be any pressure or sales tactics. We're going to make you a fair cash offer on the property. And if our offer works for you, great, we'll move forward, we'll get this done. If our offer doesn't work for you, that's okay too. We can shake hands and part as friends. We're never going to add stress to this situation. We understand when you've inherited a property in Sylvania, Ohio, there could be a lot of things that are going on, a lot of moving parts. It could be a lot of paperwork and attorneys and, even the court and things like that. We're not here to make this more complicated. We're here to make this easy for you. So there's never going to be any pressure. We're going to treat you like a neighbor, because that's exactly what we are. We're a real company that's here in Ohio. We're not some call center that's located in some distant foreign land and you don't know who you're working with. No, we're happy to come meet with you face to face if you prefer. And we want to keep things easy from beginning to end. So our number, once again, is 614-300-5151, and our website is sellhousecolumbus.com. My name is Dave Payerchin. I look forward to speaking with you, and I look forward to working with you.